back to my channel. So today I am going to feature the Makeup Revolution London Forever Flawless damn plastic Constellation palette. Look how pretty. So I was really drawn to the purples in here, these two. So I think those are what I'm going to use today. So if you haven't seen my other videos, I've been featuring a lot of these because they were on sale. What did I tell you? It was Ulta. I feel like it's been so long since I purchased them. So Ulta had a sale, buy two get one free, and they were on sale for $15. So if you get three for 30 bucks, it was like $10 each. And I bought the fire one, the ice one, and the midnight rose, and I was really impressed with the ice one. So that just kind of like set me off, and I was like, let me grab three more while they're on sale because I have a problem. So, one, because they were on sale, and two, I have way too much makeup. So anyway, so this is the Constellation palette, and you get 18 colors, pretty standard for the other, same as the other palettes. Again, I don't know when this Forever Flawless line came out, and I know a lot of people are like iffy about Makeup Revolution's makeup, like they're hit or miss, but so far, I was going to say the three, I think this is the third one I've done. No, because I did do the cannabis one like way back, and I compared it to the Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. So that I felt like was a dupe for that one. So I'll link that video below if you want to check that one out. So I actually purchased that one. That like was way back. So I don't know if the whole line came out around that time and it just wasn't there. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I was under a rock. I don't know. But anyway, they were on sale. There's a lot of them, and I've been pleasantly surprised with the quality of them. So again, this was $15, but it was on sale. And I did get an email from them, and they were running a sale from the actual brand's like website, and I think they had them on sale for like $10.50. So either way, let's get on with this video. So here's the palette again. So pretty. So I'm gonna zoom you on in. So I just have like my face done, like my whole face is done except my eyes, because that's just how I roll. That is how I roll. I think what I want to do is I'm actually gonna go in with this retrograde color. It's like a muted purple. So let's see. I'm gonna pick that up on this Morphe E17 brush. It's just a smaller flat. I'm just gonna pick that up. My hair. I'm gonna pick that up and I'm gonna put it out here in the outer corner. It's definitely muted. So I'm gonna come up and then come across. I'm gonna keep it kind of light right there, but then I'm gonna bring that into the inner corner. And I actually like that this is so muted because it's allowing me to lay down like this purple shade that isn't super dark. So I can kind of carve out where I want the color to go without being like super harsh. You know, you don't always have to start out with like a brown or a neutral color for like your transition shade. So And I'm going to softly bring that up just to blend out that edge. I actually like that color. Like I said, it's muted, but I can appreciate the application of it. Again, to allow me to put down a color without it having to be like a brown or a nude or what have you. So I want to now go in, and I'm taking this Morphe M507 brush because it's smaller and it's tapered. So now I'm gonna go in with this cosmic color, this deep purple. So I'm gonna pick that up and I'm going to put that on the outer third of my eyelid in the inner third. And that's why I chose a pointed brush, because it can get into this inner corner nicely and allow me to bring the color inward to the middle. And again, I always look back because it gives me more lid space. So I'm just picking this color up and I'm just packing it on. And I'm going to go over the edges to diffuse the color a bit so it doesn't look so harsh. And I'm going to connect up here in the crease. Again, which is why I picked a nice pointed brush, because it's tiny enough to get in there with the precision that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Now here's for the exciting part. Let's do... I'm going to take... No, this is not sponsored by Morphe. I just have a shit ton of Morphe brushes because they're cheap. They're affordable. They're less expensive. I don't know. Everybody gets so offended with how you say things anymore. It's like, God, you can't even speak. This is a Morphe M124 flat brush. And I want to go in with this color Spiral. So I'm going to pick that up. And you guys know how I do. So I just want to see if I'm going to be surprised. And there's hair. To see how this applies in the center. Wah, wah, wah. So, okay, let's see. So, okay, now let's see if I can take my finger. You can lay it down a little bit, but it's nothing crazy, nothing amazing. I'm just gonna grab some setting spray, pick some more of that color up. So I have it on my brush, and then I just spray. And I'm just using my, surprise, my Morphe setting spray. I do really like some products from Morphe. Do I agree with everything that that company does? No, absolutely not. But I do like the brushes, and I do like their setting sprays. And I do have some of their palettes. So I'm just pressing this color in and working it, just pressing, and working it over top of where that cosmic color was, or is. But staying in this middle section of the eye. So I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe M507 brush and just touch up the outer edges and like right there over where I just put that shimmery color spiral, just to deepen up the outer and inner corner, and then to blend over this matte and shimmer where they meet up. Kind of want to see, I always got to be extra. I kind of want to see how this celestial color will go right in the center over top of that. Do I dare do it? Oh, I always just, sometimes I just can't leave well enough alone. So let's go in with, this is a clean Morphe M124 brush. So I'm going to pick up that celestial color. It's like a pale baby pink. Let's see. Just right in that center. To add a little extra shimmer to the eye. I'm going to go in with this color Universal. It looks like a chocolatey brown. I think for right now I'm going to use this Luxie 131 mini angled brush, just a fluffy brush. I'm going to use this just to smoke out that lower part of the under eye. Typically, I'm just gonna do this. I don't typically do it, but I'm going with it tonight. So I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. eyeliner brush. It's just a flat brush, and I'm gonna dip into that cosmic color that's on the outer and inner. And I'm gonna go on the outer portion of the eye to kind of tie it all together. And then I'm actually going to put that on the inner corner. Like that. I'm going to try to take this BH Cosmetics number 11 brush, so it's another just flat definer brush, and I'm going to pick up that color Spiral. I'm going to put that right in the center, just mimicking what I've done up top. But I don't know. Yeah. So I'm actually going to pick that up and then wet it. And see if I can get it into that center like I want. And then look at that, I have another one. So this is the Alamar, again, it's just another flat definer brush, and I'm gonna pick up that celestial color that I put on the top of the lid there, and I'm just gonna dab that underneath so everything matches. Can you see it? You can see it in my mirror. I don't think the camera's picking it up. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some liner in the lower lash line. I'm probably gonna use that faux white liner I've been using. The NYX one has like a pink tinge to it. And then I'm going to do some liner and some mascara and possibly some lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so there's the finished look. I actually just put the faux white liner in linen in that lower waterline because I feel like it just opens up the eye because it's such a dark eye. Yeah, I actually like how it turned out. It's not my typical way to do my eyes. It's a halo eye, if you will. Whatever. It's just a different application of them, and I decided not to do a liner because I feel like a liner on the upper lid was going to take away from the look, in my opinion. If you want to do a liner, you do you. That is fine. And I'm not going to put on lashes because I just don't feel like it. So maybe if I was going somewhere, but I'm not. I'm literally just going downstairs. So I just didn't feel like putting lashes on. And I kind of want to take my contacts out because I've had them in for a while and my eyes are getting itchy. So, and they tend to get like really red. So it's not cute. Not cute at all. But anyway, I actually liked, I really liked the palette, to be honest with you. Again, I think I was blown away by the ice palette. So my standard is like, it's like up there for like colorful and how like they apply. But the ones that I used, I do like how they applied for what they are. That muted color, I really appreciated it, and I really like how it applied in the crease and around as a transition shade. So I really actually, I don't know how many times I can say really actually in this video. I just realized I kept saying it. So I do like it for what it was and how I was able to use it. So yes, that is a plus. Again, I think I need to do a couple looks with all these palettes because there's so many things that, you know, you can do with this, not just purple, but those purples stood out to me out of all the palettes. Like I was trying to go through and decide which ones I wanted, and the purple shades are the ones that stood out to me, and that's why I chose to get this one over. Oh, there's another one that has like a purple, had a purple and a pink. What was it called? There's like a spirituality one. It's got like a lotus flower or something, like a mandala. It had something on the front, and I remember being like, do I want that one or do I want this one? And obviously this one, like I just said, stuck out. Just struck me that way that I was like, all right, I'm going with you. Don't disappoint me. So anyway, yeah, that's the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video helped you decide if you wanted to look into some of these Makeup Revolution palettes from their Forever Flawless line. As always, I appreciate you watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you like it or not. Leave some comments below. Let me know if you have the palette. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have any of their palettes? Do you love or hate them? Let's talk about it. I don't know, that's what we're here for. Just to enjoy some makeup and have some friendly chitter chatter, right? So, but anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this.